Good morning, children. Welcome to your English online class once again, and I am again with you with a new topic of writing section, that is notice writing. Children, in this video we will be learning that how can we write a proper notice. Many a times in school notice board we have seen notices are mentioned on the boards. That includes the name of organization, the word notice. It gives a proper information about any event, about any competition, or anything that is going to be organized in future, and for what the notice has been written. Everything is mentioned. So the same layout of notice we are going to understand in this video.
A notice is a short composition written in order to convey important information or instruction to people. Here are a few points which you need to take care, children, while drafting a notice, while writing a notice. Notice should be placed in a box. Use capital letter for details like name of organization, heading, etc. Never use first and second person. Most of the times we have seen, children, that students write, I, the head boy of the school, want to inform you. This I, me, these persons are not allowed while writing a notice. Maximum word limit should be 50. Here is the format of writing notice. First of all, name of the organization will be there. Then the word notice will be used. Left hand side, date will be written. Further, after leaving one margin line, heading will be mentioned. Heading, you can call it a subject also, and that should be in a phrase that should give a clear indication that the notice is about which topic. Further, content, in which every necessary detail will be mentioned, like why the notice has been written, whom the notice is about to, the date, venue, time. Every necessary detail will be mentioned while writing a notice in content portion. Further, children, most important, although everything that I have told you in format, each point is important, but please take care, children, that signature, name and designation, all these three things are required. Many a times it happens that students write a notice, they just write their name and designation. Suppose Vivek, head boy of the school, Ria, head girl of the school, they do not mention their signature. Children's signature is also an integral part of notice writing, so do not forget that. Let's have a quick review. Name of the organization, that should be in capital letter. Notice word should be in capital letter. Format of date, I have already told you, May 18, 2020 or 18 May 2020, but do not mention the date in hyphen, full stop or in slash form, that will be wrong. Further, heading should give a crisp idea, a clear idea that the notice is about what. Further, content, and at the end, signature, name and designation, all the things are very important. So children, go through with the points and the format. Thank you.